Hey guys, Rexy here. So today I am making a Japanese style house for me and my girlfriend. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. So the reason why these characters have drinks, just don't ask. So today is going to be a build of 2 people actually. So we are making a Japanese style house for my 2 characters for like little skits that I'll do with them too. But we also are going to make a house for you and you. So this is my Japanese family, my like mixed, blended Japanese family. So this is the dad, this is the daughter, this is the mom, and this will kind of be a house for the mixture of all of us. So skits for these 2, but then playing around for these. My girlfriend had decided it to be a Japanese style house, so that's why we're doing this one. Okay, let's get started! I hope you guys enjoyed the build. That is the end of today's video. And stuff. It is a very nice house where I had to incorporate what me and my girlfriend will be doing and what me and the family will be doing. So that's why I chose that scary looking bed. But when it's me and my girlfriend, it's gonna be that scary looking like dark goth bed. But when it's my like Japanese family, then it will be the family that, oh my god, then it will be the bed that comes with this Japanese house. So I did try to make it as neutral as possible, so I don't think me and my girlfriend will go to the 3rd floor, and so that's why I made it the girls' room. But yeah, so me and my girlfriend Yuri, we love our house, obviously, because I said we do. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! And this is me. This isn't Rexy. So me and Rexy have different skin tones, as well as different hair colors. I do base Rexy off of me a lot, but this is not him. This is me. This is me when the sharpest words wanna cut me down. Okay, goodbye.